The electric car has come a long way. A century of experiments improving range, energy and charging times. Some are now bestsellers. So it's time to power up the future. A new chapter of British energy transition. Storing renewable electricity and batteries that will help change the world. We build our pioneering spirit into every battery, rethinking old designs and inventing new technologies, performing engineering miracles every single day, increasing our knowledge and success with every positive partnership. This isn't just about money or markets, this is sustainable science to improve and advance the human condition. Britishvolt are the battery builders, the pioneers, the electrochemists, the engineers, the visionaries, who challenge the present to improve the future, to build the best low-carbon batteries in the world that power cars, planes, ships and cities. This is the age of the battery, where we work with nature, not against her, unlocking clean technologies to improve the lives of generations to come. We are Britishvolt, and we've only just started.